The garden is bare. Winter has just begun. That means, hey buddy, what's up? That means this is a great time to work on martial arts refinement, meaning that we're refining our martial arts skills. And today we're gonna be looking at training on the staff. So I've got some great refinement drills that are gonna help build those transitions from the attacks and the counter attacks. Let's go ahead and grab a rattan staff and let's go ahead and go through these first 5 drills. This is part 1. This video is part 1 of the first 5, and then tomorrow I'll go ahead and release a second video, which is going to be part 2, where we'll be working on some drills 6 through 10. All right, let's get some training in. Our first drill for our staff fighting refinement technique work. Let's go and take a look at it. This is our single end staff fighting method. We're going to step forward, striking on 1. Then we're going to step to the left, striking a high outside umbrella. That's a countering technique. Then my left foot's going to step forward, and I'm going to strike down the angle 2. Let's take a look at that again. Stepping forward on the 1, to the left on that high outside umbrella. Left foot steps forward, striking the angle 2, just like that. Right, let's go ahead and get 5 reps in together of this one. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our second refinement staff fighting techniques drill. Again, working on the single end staff fighting method. This time, we're gonna strike, stepping forward on our number 1, all the way through this time. Now I'm gonna step to the right to my high inside umbrella. Right foot's gonna step forward and smashing down on the vertical. Once again, stepping forward, striking all the way through on our angle 1, stepping to the right with that high inside umbrella. Right foot steps forward, smashing the vertical. Let's get 5 reps in together on drill number 2. All right, drill number 3. We're looking at a chain of counters and offensive strikes. So from here, here's the number 3 drill. Again, working on the single end staff fighting method. We're coming into an umbrella on the inside, striking the number 1 all the way through, another inside umbrella, and then striking the vertical. Then we're gonna come to an outside umbrella, strike the angle 2, another outside umbrella, striking a vertical. Okay, let's take a look at that again. 1 umbrella, strike the 1. 1 umbrella inside, strike the vertical. Outside umbrella, strike the angle 2. Outside umbrella, striking a vertical, just like that. Let's get 5 reps in together on drill number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We gotta redo 5. Right there. Drill number 4 for our staff fighting refinements on our techniques. From here, we're going to deflect low and then deflect high. Then we're going to follow up with 3 upward strike, upward strikes, upward strikes. Now from here, we're going to step across, deflect low on the inside, and then deflect high on the inside, following up with 3 upward strikes. 1, 2, 3, just like that. Let's take a look at this again. deflect low on the inside, deflect high on the inside, follow up with 3 upward strikes. 1, 2, 3. Notice that we're using the double end staff fighting method. Stepping to the left, deflecting low outside, high outside, following up with 3 upward strikes. Right there. Let's get 5 reps in together, nice and easy. 2, 3, 4, 5. Staff fighting drill number 5. Let's take a look at it. We're going to deflect low, then we're going to come up and deflect high. And then we're going to follow up with 1, 2, 3 upward figure 8s on that single end staff fighting method. Let's take a look at that again. Deflect low, deflect high. Notice that we're using the left side of the staff on this one. And then we're coming up on our upward figure 8s 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Right there. Okay. Let's go and get 5 of these in together. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we have it. A series of the first 5 staff fighting refinement technique drills. Work these out, train these, then I'll see you back here tomorrow for the next video on our 6 through 10 staff fighting technique refinement drills. If you want to pick up a traditional rattan Kali staff just like mine right here, make sure to head over to KaliCenter.com, go check out our store, and you can go and order yours today. For more Kali staff fighting, you can also go purchase my Kali Staff DVD download. I have a link in the description below with a special unique discount code that I'm going to give you just for watching this video and training with me in our staff fighting refinement technique drills. Make sure to get outside, go let nature be your Kali dojo, and I'll see you guys next time.